our final six for Miss Sansamol 2025. Congratulations, Miss Sansamol, candidate number 10, Miss Julian W.
Once again, Sansamol, your top 6 for our Mr. and Miss Sansamol 2025. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, and congratulations to those other candidates who are not part of the top 60. Congratulations.
And this time, so they will put a final test of grace under pressure. One common question will determine who among the finalists will rise to the top.
Finalists, good luck. This is your defining moment.
Alright, let's begin with a question and answer portion of our final, starting with our finalists from our Mr. Sansamol 2025.
So all of our candidates will answer one question. Let's start with our People's Choice awardee, Mr. Sansamol, candidate number 4. Hello, Mr. Sansamol, candidate number 4. How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling great and I'm feeling great.
Okay. Okay. Let me read your question. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
For your question, for you, what are the qualities that a Mr. Sansamol should possess? In Filipino, para sa iyo, ano-ano ang mga katangian ang dapat taglayin ng isang Mr. Sansamol?
When I was in grade school, I was awarded a classroom fee for being an honest student. And that was my very first Sunstar experience. Mr. Sunstar should be somebody who advocates for wisdom that can help Sunstar Mall to promote its legacy. You see, Sunstar Mall is not just a mall. It is a home. It is a cradle of lifeline for us Lagunenses. And we should love our local. We should promote our own because Sunstar Mall is the way of Lagunenses life. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that, Mr. Sansamol, candidate number 4, for sharing your Sansamol experience.
Next is our Mr. Sansamol candidate number 3. So let me remind that our candidates has only 30 seconds to answer the one common question. So go ahead.
Alright, let me repeat the question for you. For you, what are the qualities that a Mr. Sansamol should possess? In Filipino, para sa iyo, ano-ano ang mga katangian ang dapat taglayin ng isang Mr. Sansamol?
It would be my dedication to connect people to Sansamol. As an ambassador, I wanted to highlight Sansamol as a space where local businesses can grow, where talents can be discovered, and where people can come together to celebrate unity and progress. Because winning is not always a victory, but it is a responsibility. Thank you.
Our next finalist is Mr. Sansamol candidate number 7.
Hello, Mr. Sansamol, candidate number 7. Do you want to thank anyone before going into the question? Do you want to thank anyone?
Thank you so much to all Paitainos and to all of my family supporting me. Thank you so much.
Alright. Again, let me repeat the question for you. What are the qualities that a Mr. Sansamol should possess? Para sa iyo, ano ang mga katangian ang dapat taglayin
Mr. Sunstar Mall should possess the radiating confidence with humility, like sun shining brightly, bringing warmth, positivity, and creating change while keeping on ground and respectful. And that is me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Candidate number 7. Next is our finalist, candidate number 8.
Alright, candidate number 8, are you ready?
Definitely.
Love the confidence. Let's start with the question. For you, what are the qualities that a Mr. Sansar Mall should possess? In Filipino, para sa iyo, ano-ano ang mga dapat katangian na taglayin ng isang Mr. Sansar Mall?
I think the qualities that Mr. Sunstar should have are leadership and confidence. And I believe that I'm the most qualified for that position because I know to myself that I'm always confident. And it makes me feel more self-empowered, makes me shine, makes me influence others. And with the help of my leadership skills, I could influence others to also become confident because confidence will create the best version of ourselves, and that confidence will take me to the greatest moments in my life, such as winning the crown of Mr. Sunstar.
Thank you so much for answering the question confidently.
Next is our Mr. Sansar Mall candidate number 10.
Hello, candidate number 10, are you ready? More than ready, love it. Okay, your question again is, for you, what are the qualities that a Mr. Sansar Mall should possess? In Filipino, para sa iyo, ano-ano ang mga katangian ang dapat taglayin ng isang Mr. Sansar Mall?
We have a lot of qualities to be considered, such as kindness, wisdom, and courage. But for me, we are living in a digital age that we need that innovative mindset. Since innovative mindset that have value to technology, because I believe that technology is not only a tool for progress, but it is also a tool that connects people from culture and heritage. And I believe that Sunstar, empowered by technology, empowers our community, boosts our local economy, and the most important thing.
Time's up. But I know he did his best. Thank you so much. Candidate number 10. One finalist to go for our Mr. Sansar Mall. Please proceed. Candidate number 5.
Okay, candidate number 5. I will say the question once again. For you, what are the qualities that a Mr. Sansar Mall should possess? In Filipino, para sa iyo, ano-ano ang mga katangian ang dapat taglayin ng isang Mr. Sansar Mall?
The qualities of Mr. Sunstar is integrity and legacy. As an ambassador, I believe that if we embody this value, we're not just creating change, we create a world that uplifts everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and that is it for our Mr. Sansar Mall Top 6. You guys can now breathe because next up is our ladies.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us now proceed to the question and answer portion of our top 6 for Miss Sansar Mall 2025. Starting off with our People's Choice Award. Candidate number 15, Mr. Yomi Eliazar. Hello, Mr. Yomi. Congratulations. Are you ready for the question?
Yes.
Okay, for our top 6 finalists for Miss Sansar Mall, again we have one common question. Good luck. And the question is, in English, in your opinion, why should you be crowned as Miss Sansar Mall 2025? In Filipino, sa iyong palagay, bakit ikaw ang dapat tanghalin na Miss Sansar Mall 2025?
For me, the most important characteristics in pageantry is being true to yourself and of course to everyone and the people around you. And I believe that I've shown who I really am in everyone and especially my loyalty. You know, I'm thankful that Sunstar is part of my childhood and now I'm back again. I'm back again being a beauty queen with a purpose, and that if I will be the next Miss Sunstar, I will proudly and confidently promote Sunstar, and I will take all the responsibilities
Time's up.
Thank you so much for that. Candidate number 15. Again, just a quick reminder to each and every one of us, it is very hard answering the question, so we would truly appreciate it if you just keep silent for a little while as our candidates collect their thoughts and then cheer for them right after.
And again, to our remaining finalists, you only have 30 seconds to answer the question. And next is candidate number 5, Ms. Gina Hamodiaza. Hello, candidate number 5. Congratulations. So, are you ready for the question? Okay. The question again is, in your own opinion, why should you be crowned as Miss Sansar Mall 2025? In Filipino, sa iyong palagay, bakit ikaw ang dapat tanghalin na Miss Sansar Mall 2025?
I believe that I should be crowned as the Miss Sunstar 2025 because I possess the core values of the Sunstar Mall. And I believe those are the warm, friendly, and community-friendly mall. And I can work with those core values because I embody those values already. And I can extend my projects for Santa Cruz here at Sunstar Mall for the children with special needs and other projects like community extension. Thank you.
Thank you so much once again. Candidate number 5, Ms. Gina Hamodiaza.
Yes, a queen that has a core value of queen.
Next is our Miss Sunstar Mall candidate number 6, Zaira
And
Rosanias.
also our best informal. Congratulations, girl.
So Zaira, are you ready for the question? Okay, the question again is, in your own opinion, why should you be crowned as Miss Sansar Mall 2025? In Filipino, sa iyong palagay, bakit ikaw ang dapat tanghalin na Miss Sansar Mall 2025?
Sa aking palagay, ako ay dapat tanggalin bilang Miss Sansar Mall 2025 dahil ako ay merong mission and vision sa aking sarili. Ako ay merong goal na aking patuloy na magpagbigyan ng kumpiyansa hindi lamang ang aking sarili, maging ang aking kapwa. Kung gayon, ito ay aking gagamitin upang higit na makatulong sa pag-promote ng ganitong klaseng katimpalak at ng ganitong klaseng mall. Dahil sa ganitong mall, kami ng aking pamilya ay nagkakaroon ng masayang alaan.
Time's up, but still, she did her best.
Thank you so much for that, for sharing how family that leads to the next Sansar Mall.
Next we have our finalist, Miss Sansar Mall candidate number 9, Ivy Doreen Ove. Hello Ivy, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
So are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
You are born ready. So the question, Ivy, is, in your own opinion, why should you be crowned as Miss Sunstar Mall 2025? In Filipino, sa iyong palagay, bakit ikaw ang dapat tanghalin na Miss Sunstar Mall 2025?
I deserve to be the next Miss Sunstar Mall because I know what it means to grow, to face challenges, and to rise with grace. I want to use this title not only to promote Sunstar, but to show everyone that beauty is not about perfection. It is about kindness, respect, and courage to be yourself. So, with sincerity and compassion, I hope to bring warmth to this community and be a representative who connects and inspires. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Once again, finalist candidate number 9 is Ivy Doreen Ove.
Who aspires to connect and reach one of us here at Sansar Mall.
Next is our finalist candidate number 8, Lourdes Justine. Hello, Lourdes. Good afternoon. Are you ready for the question?
Yes, very ready.
Okay, so really good luck because the question is, in your own opinion, why should you be crowned as Miss Sunstar Mall 2025? In Filipino, sa iyong palagay, bakit ikaw ang dapat tanghalin ng Miss Sunstar Mall 2025?
I believe I should be the Miss Sunstar Mall because I possess determination, passion, and love. To tell you a story, I joined here last year and I ended up as first runner-up. But I used that failure for me to be determined and be limitless, to find my own purpose and beauty. And I really hope for the second time, the star
Thank you so much once again, Miss Lourdes Justred.
Thank you so much for that. Wishing as well for the stars to align to each one of you.
Okay, down to our last finalist, candidate number 10, Miss Julian Malabuyo. Hello, Yan. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Okay, this is your one last shot on your road to the ground. Are you ready? And the question is, in your own opinion, why should you be crowned as Miss Sunstar Malls 2025? In Filipino, sa iyong palagay, bakit ikaw ang dapat tanghalin ng Miss Sunstar Malls 2025?
I believe I deserve to be crowned tonight, not because of my appearance, but because of my purpose and my intention to inspire people. And just yesterday, I have received bashing that took my confidence away, but I choose to believe in myself and trust my capabilities. I may not the most confident, intelligent woman in this very stage, but I am very brave to try. And if it happens that I inspire someone with my story, then that is my greatest victory. Thank you.
Thank you so much once again, Miss Julian.
And that's all it takes. Let's just try it. Because you will never know unless you try.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes our question and answer portion for our top 6 finalists of Mr. and Miss Sunstar Mall 2025. As the judges finalists, their scores as to be separated by voice, known for power and emotion.
Let us welcome from Manila Laguna Coral, once again, Mr. Lero Lacson. Beauty Lounge. Maliwan Medical Hub. Central Department Store. Dennis Sample